Assalamu alaikum. Start by the name of Allah. Day 45. Today we have reached our class day. Today we have reached our class to day 45. Today we learn about some basics, tricks, hacks, class of English grammar. My all recorded class is available on YouTube, Facebook and Facebook page. Today we learn about these topics, English grammatical topics. Number 1 is your এবং your. Your means belonging to you. Your is a possessive form of you. Your is a contraction for you are. There means visualize as owning. There is a possessive form of they. There as a place. There as they are. Affect is a verb. Effect is a noun. Think, affect. The affect has started A and effect has started E alphabet. A is an action. E is a thing. When we think, A is for action, E is for thing. Then we perfectly learn about affect is a verb, effect is a noun. Now bookkeeping. Here the amazing thing is double O double K double E. Double O double K double E. Bookkeeper and bookkeeping have 3 consecutive double letters. এখানে পর 3টা double letters আছে. You are all connected to English Universe with Advocate Sadiq. These are today's class topics about our online class learning and teaching platform, which is English Universe with Advocate Sadiq. Inshallah, next class will be happened soon. Till then, tata, assalamu alaikum.